Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm a construction vehicle. Can you guess what kind I am? Yeah, a dozer. Oh yeah, it's time for Blippi's Playground Dig Day. Oh, what vehicle should we take to the construction site? How about a fire truck? Maybe not for a construction site. What else should we... How about a mail truck? Actually, maybe not. Mail trucks are really good for delivering mail, but not for digging stuff up. A dozer! Wow! This'll be great for a construction site. Vehicle selected. Activate dozer. Growing up. Whoa! Where am I? My hat's different. It's hard. And I have these goofy glasses too. Oh, and look at this vest. Cool. Wait, where'd my dozer go? Is it this way? No, maybe this way? I don't see it. I found it. Check it out. Look at my dozer. It's so cool. Do you know what color this is? Yeah, it's yellow. Good job. So, we are gonna build a playground. And to do that, we need to level all this ground. That means we're gonna make it nice and flat. Isn't that so fun? All right, you ready to get to work? Let's go. Okay, time to get to work. But first, let's stretch it out. Stretch and reach with the other arm and shake it all out. And let's dance around. Whoa, whoa. Here we go. This is fun. Kind of hard though. Construction vehicles makes leveling dirt way easier and faster. You know what? We're gonna have all this leveled in no time. There's a lot more piles than I thought. But you know what? It is gonna be a great place for a playground. Check it out. Whew. I think I'm gonna need some more help. Ooh, I know just who to call. I have a friend named Max who loves construction vehicles. Max is an expert with construction vehicles. Let's give them a call. Hi, Max.
Hey, Blippi. Looks like you need some help.
Max, I want to build a playground, but the first step is to level all the ground, and I don't have a lot of time. What do I do?
You need a bigger vehicle.
Dozers come in different sizes?
Yeah, they come in all different sizes and can do a lot of really cool stuff.
Whoa, that's super cool. Let's go check some out. Bye, Max.
Good luck, Blippi.
Aw, I couldn't find any bigger dozers anywhere. Oh well, guess I'll have to use this. Let's do it. One more try. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, hey! Yeah, me with the, yeah, come here. Yeah, woo! We need your help. Whoa, push it all the way over there. Yeah! Hi.
Hey, Blippi, my name's Steve.
Steve, it's
Nice
so
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That's such a big pile.
That
It's
is
so
a big
cool.
pile. That's about as big as this dozer can do.
Well, what else can it do?
You know what?
What?
Let me show you.
Oh boy,
All
I'm
right.
so excited. Oh, check it out. 1, 2,
3 baseballs on top of orange cones. Let's see how many he can knock over.
Whoa, that was incredible!
That was way cool. It's your turn to run it.
What?
Are you ready to operate this?
Yeah,
All
absolutely.
right, let's do it.
Let's
Come
go!
on in.
Whoa, whoa! Whoa! I did it! Whoa! Did you see me? I got one of the balls!
I saw you did an awesome job.
That was
It's a little bit
awesome.
harder than it looks like, but you got it. You got it.
That was really
Yeah.
tough. Steve, we have all these other piles. Look!
And there's a lot left in there. So you know what that means?
What?
We need a bigger dozer.
There are bigger dozers?
There are bigger dozers, and we're gonna get them.
Yeah,
Are you
let's-
ready?
Yes, let's go! Woohoo! Here it comes, look! Whoa, it's so smooth! And look at the teeth on the back! Whoa, that was awesome! Look how flat and level it is! Whoa, what? Wait a second! Look at that! He's doing donuts! He's doing dozer donuts! Do some with me! Put your hands out like this and spin! Let's go this way! It's huge! It's so cool! It's like bigger than an elephant! Or a whale! Whoa! Cool! Wow! Wait! If you're here and that's moving, who's driving it?
I'm driving it.
What?
With our remote control, Blippi. That's how we
Whoa.
can run these big machines. I can do a lot of stuff with it, too.
Like what?
I can build a pile, I can actually be safe, and I can watch this, what I'm gonna do with it. You ready?
Oh, what's this?
Watch this.
Whoa!
This dozer has incredible balance and can safely go over big, bigger, biggest piles of dirt. Oh, so cool.
I can let you operate this, too.
No way! That
Yeah,
would be
you
awesome!
wanna try it?
I would love to.
All right.
I'm so excited! Look at it go! Yeah! Go! Cool! Oh boy!
Okay, implements are set. We're gonna have our hydraulics locked out and our park brake.
Okay.
That makes it safe for me to give this to you so you can run that machine.
Okay, perfect. Safety is key.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
it's kind
boy.
of heavy. Be careful.
Whoa! Is this kind of heavy? Whoa! Whoa! Look at it! Oh, wow! I'm doing it!
So now, put the blade back down like you are, yeah?
Okay.
We'll take this as the park brake. Now let us run the machine forward and reverse.
Oh, cool!
So same thing, pull up, pull it back. Now you're ready to go. We got your throttle up. So now you can start pushing material. Are you ready?
I'm so ready,
All
Steve.
right, let's do it.
Oh, let's tip it down.
There you go. Yep, now keep going straight.
Whoa, that's such a cool construction vehicle.
Whoa! Check it out. We have the big one, the bigger one, and the biggest one. Whoa! we leveled all the ground, and in record time, too. Now on to the next project, finding a playground structure. Woohoo! Whoa! Look at this cool playground we built. It's so awesome. All right, time to put this little guy away. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Can you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! Okay, I'm gonna go build another playground.
Bye-bye.
Yeah! Here we go!
Whoa! This is so cool! I can't believe I'm driving a real race car. Yeah!
Hey! It's me, Blippi!
And hey, it's me, Mika!
You see what I see? Whoa! A giant racetrack!
We're at the Daytona International Speedway!
In Daytona Beach, Florida.
And hey, Blippi, look! Race cars!
They're so colorful. I think we should take a closer look.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
See, Blippi? Real race cars.
Oh, wait a minute. Mika, these are toy race cars.
Well, they look much bigger from far away.
Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. Well, anyway, something we can do with these cars is race. Look,
Okay.
they're remote controlled.
Cool.
Whoa, here's one for me and one
for
you.
me.
Probably split this down.
Yes.
Okay, on your mark.
Get set.
And go!
Go! Woo!
Hey! I'm gonna get you, Mika!
No, you're not. I'm in the lead.
I'm right behind you! Woo! I'm right behind you!
Whee!
Whoa! It looks like
A best friend tie.
It's a tie! Yeah! Woo.
Hey! Okay, this time I do see a real race car.
Really?
Uh-huh.
We should probably go take a closer look then.
Yeah, follow me.
Okay.
See, I told you, a real race car.
Yeah, Mika, you were right. Whoa, and this looks like a really fast race car.
Yeah, and look. Do you know this animal on front?
Oh, Mika, I know this animal. It's a horse.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, but Mika, do you notice something? Oh, look. This grill is a sticker, and these headlights are also stickers.
Why?
Huh. Well, they're stickers because you wouldn't want the headlights to be made of glass if you're racing. It's a lot safer if it's just a sticker.
Oh yeah, first things first.
Safety first. Whoa, and check out this side of the race car.
Cool.
Whoa, look at it all. Whoa. Hey, do you see what color this race car is, Mika?
Yeah, 2 of my favorite colors, purple and some yellow on the tires.
Whee! Whoa, yeah, and these wheels and tires look so big. Check it out. Whoa, they're really smooth.
Ooh, I want to feel.
You feel? Really smooth. Oh, yeah, and they're kind of hairy, too. Well, that's funny.
A real race car driver. Let's go say hi.
Let's go. Whoa, check it out. It's NASCAR Cup champion Joey Logano. Whoa, it's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Hello, I'm Mika.
I know. Nice to see you. I watched this. Are you kidding me?
That's so nice of you. Well, we were learning all about racing today, and we noticed there's some race cars over here. What are they doing?
Yeah, so right now they're going through tech.
Oh.
So what they have to make sure is that all the cars are the same.
Oh.
So
So it's a fair race.
So it's a fair race out there. So they have a lot of different things that they go through to make sure all the cars fit certain templates, certain things. So not one car has way more horsepower than the other or way more downforce than another. Make sure they're the same weight, all those things.
Oh, what makes the car go fast?
Horsepower. Big motors help. Not that kind of horse.
That kind of horse. Totally different kind of horsepower.
A little bit different. They sound even louder. So, yeah, they ain't that kind of horsepower.
Oh, yeah. We definitely
Horsepower
like
is
that.
big, downforce is big, right? So when the air is pushing down on the race car, that creates grip.
Oh.
So you want to have that, and you want to have not much drag. So you want the car to be able to go through the air without it pulling you back, right? Without the wind pulling you back. So
Yeah. Definitely don't want your car flying away.
No,
That'd be good. Oh, and Joey, do you think you could maybe teach us what it takes to be a driver?
I sure can.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Whoa, that was so cool learning all about your car. But Joey, what do you do before you race?
Well, before you strap in the car for a long race, just like riding in the road, in a car ride for a long time, you want to stretch out. So you gotta maybe stretch your legs out a little bit. You want to cramp up while you're up there racing. So maybe you touch your toes a little bit, if you can. It's a little tight for me. And your arms a lot. You're driving a lot, so your arms get tired. So you want to make sure you're flexible with your arms.
Yeah.
Get it all stretched out there.
Both arms, left and right.
Yes, because we do turn right every now and again.
Yeah. Oh, and Joey, have you always wanted to be a race car driver?
From as young as I can remember. I got a go-kart when I was 6 or 7.
Whoa,
and that's all I did when I got home from school. It was just make laps in the backyard. I tore up the yard.
Whoa.
The grass was gone. But it was
Bye-bye,
okay.
grass. See you
It
later.
worked out okay.
Whoa, hey, have you driven in a go-kart before? Well, hey, maybe one day, who knows, you'll end up like this guy.
Yeah, just like Joey.
Well, Joey, that was so nice to meet you, and thank you for teaching us all about being a driver.
Absolutely. I'm glad you guys came by. Thank you very much.
Oh, and Joey, can we go drive a race car now?
Well, I'd say before you go out there going 200 miles an hour, maybe check out the simulator first so you know where the turns are. You don't miss a turn going that fast.
Oh, that's a good idea.
A simulator so we can practice driving first.
That's right.
We'll see you later. Bye,
All right.
Joey.
Bye,
See you guys.
Joey.
Have a good one.
Let's go. Check it out.
Hey guys.
Race car driver Tyler ready.
Whoa.
Hey, pal.
How's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah.
Glad you guys are here.
Well, yeah, we've been having so much fun today learning all about cars.
Yeah.
We'd love to practice race car driving.
Yeah, do you think you could tell us a little bit more and maybe help us on the simulators?
I absolutely can. We got 3 simulators here and 3 things to keep in mind at Daytona. Don't lift off the gas.
Okay.
Be very smooth with the steering wheel. And don't hit the brake.
Whoa.
Don't hit the brake.
Yeah.
Those are pretty good
straightforward.
tips.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So yeah, this is the steering wheel. And on this steering wheel here, you'll have the shifter to go up gears on this side. And this to go down gears on this side.
Whoa.
Under here, you got the gas pedal on the right. The brake is in the middle. And the clutch is on the left. The clutch is kind of helps the car get going.
Oh, okay.
How many gears are there?
There are 5 gears. So as you go up through the gears, you'll end up in 5th gear. That's the gear you want to be in.
Whoa, because we're going fast.
Yes, very fast. Yeah.
Well, that sounds pretty fun.
Yeah.
Do you think we could all race together?
Let's do it. Yeah. Let's see what you got.
Let's have some fun.
Here we go. Whoa, I can't believe we get to race an actual race car driver. Here we go. I'm gonna win. Whoa. Yeah.
Great job, Tyler. Great job,
Whoa.
You guys on the racetrack going the right way?
We are.
I don't know.
Yeah, I am definitely going the right way.
I'm doing my best.
Whoa.
I'm struggling over here.
Whoa.
But it's still fun.
I think I'm right behind you, Tyler, but not sure.
Who's gonna
I see you back there.
I can imagine being out there with all those cars. Whoa, so fast. Definitely be exciting.
You guys are doing great.
Thanks, Tyler.
Aw, thanks. Whoa, Tyler, I want to beat you.
All right, let's see what you got.
No, I'm gonna win.
Coming to the stripe.
Here we go.
I don't know who won. I can't tell.
Yeah, it looks like I got 5-1-2-4-2.
5-1-2-4-2. I had a 5-1-1-5-0, but hey, that's really close. I think you're ready. What'd you get?
Nothing.
Oh,
No?
that was fun. Whoa, well, Tyler won the race, but that makes sense because he's a professional.
Well, thanks, guys. I think you're ready to go.
We do.
I think you're ready to go.
Yeah, that was fun.
Well, hey, just
Yes?
remember, gotta have your safety equipment on before you get in the real thing.
Oh,
You gotta
yeah.
have your helmet on right and have your seatbelts tight. But I think you guys are ready to go.
Thanks, Tyler.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Let's go suit up.
Yes, first things first.
Safety first.
Woohoo!
All right.
See you later.
Bye, guys. Have fun.
Whoa! Mika, look at this race car!
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to drive one.
Okay, since I drove the simulator first, you can drive the race car first.
Oh, Mika, thanks.
No problem, bestie.
Oh, that's really nice of you, and I am so excited to get out there on the track and speed around.
Get in.
Time to climb in. Whoa, here we go. One leg and two legs. Woo!
Watch your head.
Whoa! Ooh, and remember, you don't want to forget your seatbelt.
Yay, go, Blippi!
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa, this is really fast. Check it out! Yeah! Here we go! Oh, this is kind of bumpy. Look at how fast I'm going. Watch out, here comes Blippi! Woo! Yeah!
Woohoo! Great job, Blippi!
Whoa! That was so much fun, Mika!
Yay!
Whoa, but now that I finished driving, it's your turn!
Yay!
Woo!
It's my turn!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa, that's fun!
Okay, time for me to get in!
Whoa! There you go! Whoa, and while Mika's driving, I'm gonna be cheering her on! Woo!
Here I go!
See you at the finish line!
Whoa!
Come on! Oh, maybe we can come up with our very own cheer for Mika! Mika, Mika, Mika! Mika, 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 Mika! Yeah! Go, Mika! Woo!
Whoa, this is so cool! I can't believe I'm driving a real race car. Yeah! Vroom, vroom! Race car Mika coming down the track.
She's right there! Mika! Woohoo! Yeah!
Bye, Blippi! Bye, Blippi!
Whoa! That was fast!
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! I can't believe how fast I'm going! Whoa! This is so fast!
Whoa! That's her! Mika! Woo!
Whoa!
Whoa! Mika, that was awesome! Whoa! Pretty tricky getting out of there.
I know,
Need
it's
a hand?
hard.
Whoa!
That was so fun!
Yeah.
We rode in a real race car! We did it! We did it! We never ever quit it! We did it!
Woo! Woo! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa!
Today was so awesome! I can't believe we got to drive a real race car!
Whoa! And meet real race car drivers. They were so cool.
And we learned that downforce is what makes the car go really fast!
Whoa! Yeah, really fast. Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of our videos, all you have to do is search for our name. Hey, can you spell my name with us? Okay, here we go. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job.
Will you spell my name with us?
M-E-E-K-A-H, Mika.
Okay, race ya!
Okay, you're on. Woo!